Alright, so we are going up the stairs at the ShipWreck Museum. This is apparently the big tower where they looked for shipwrecks. We just got this whole history lesson. It was actually really cool. Makes me feel like I'm in Pioneer Village. Stop ringing the bell. Sanctuary! I'm gonna do it too. What? Oh, it's windy up here. The guy said if we go up there, we'll get a good view of our ship. Because we're crew. Yeah. So far, so goody. Oh my god, it's really high.
Guys, right, there's a nice view of the ship.
Beautiful view. Let's go over here. I want my hat to blow off. There's the Destiny. Just last time I was stuck on the board looking at from there. He said it was the best view of Key West.
There's a little island.
Yeah, I don't see the lighthouse.
Oh, wait a minute. What's that thing out there? We go to the left of that when we sail out of here.
He said the lookout. I see a tower. I don't see a lighthouse. The aquarium.
Yeah.